Good morning, guys. Today I'm doing the video here, starting it here because we have something coming in the mail pretty soon to replace this comforter. Stay tuned to the channel for that. We should be getting that in this week. The video will probably be up next week. But today I'm changing the style of the video today. It's going to be more of a vlog slash, how-to video compared to just doing it over here. So today I had to get a haircut. I don't have school today, which is good. And edit video and make a video. So that's what we have to do today. Let's go. Follow me around today. I'm going to go get a haircut. I have it at 11 o'clock. It's currently 10:30 in the morning. I have to be there in 30 minutes. It's just right down the street. So I'll go there. Then I'm going to show you guys later what to do with the off-white hang tags. So stay tuned for that. So I got to go get my haircut. Let's see what shoes I'll probably wear. I'll probably wear the Jordan 1s. So now I have to pick out my sweatshirt. I'll probably go with this one, just like that. And I know you guys want to see my hoodie collection and sweatshirt collection. This is what we're going to do today. So let's go get a haircut. It's currently 10:37. Let's go downstairs, put my shoes on, and we go out and get a haircut. So let's slip my shoes on. I got the Jordan 1s. The only reason I'm wearing white socks is because I'm getting a haircut. I usually wear white socks around the house. These are, of course, Nike socks. I only wear Nike socks. They're the most comfortable and they last a long time. So let's go get a haircut. So just got back from the haircut. Let's go upstairs. I hate this itchy stuff, man. So I'm going to go shower real quick and I'm going to get to what we're doing today for the main video. So I just got out of the shower, so let's get into the off-white DIY, what to do with your hang tags. What we're going to be doing it on is a bomber jacket. That's what you're going to need for the video. I have this H&M bomber jacket right here. I think you got it for like 45, 50 bucks on H&M. Very inexpensive bomber jacket. You know, if you're a guy who wants to go for a lot of money. So let's do this one and make this into a hype beast one. So what you need for this is that key ring thing, and then you're going to need some off-white hang tags, and then you're going to need a bomber jacket to do it with. So I just did the key ring right here. You got this key ring, and then you got the off-white hang tags right here. You got the stripes one. Then you have the other one. Let me just show you what it says. 2013 hang tag off-white right there. It's going to look like that. And then bringing your jacket, you have this pocket right here on the side of the arm with this. And then all you're going to do is attach this ring to this zipper right here, like so. And there you go. So that's how I did the jacket. You got an H&M bomber jacket for 45, 50 bucks. Then you put these off-white hang tags on. People think it's a hype beast jacket now, even though bomber jackets are hype right now, but still you got the off-white hang tags. And if you guys want to see a part 2 to what to do with these, let me know down below. I'll definitely do it. And this is dope. Let me show you guys what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on. You have the hang tag right here. Just flopping like that. And make sure this side is up because it is 3D type. So make sure the 3D side is up and not that side. And go this one first, this one second. That's how I did it. And now, got a hype beast bomber jacket. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think down below. And let's get back to the day. So I'm going to end the video off there. Hope you liked the video. And hope you like the off-white, what to do with the off-white tags. I'm going to end it here. I'm watching the Cavs and Magic game right now. And I hope you like the video. And let me know down below if you guys want more of these types of videos. I definitely do them. And I hope you like the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe. Until next time, peace.